An important step in hurricane preparedness is ensuring that your home has functioning carbon monoxide, or CO, detectors. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas that is poisonous and can be deadly. Carbon monoxide gas is created by portable generators, cars, grills or stoves, lawn equipment, and some power tools. Keep in mind that older adults, small children, and pets are more quickly affected by CO gas. To be safe, it's important to have working carbon monoxide detectors on every level of your home, particularly near sleeping areas, the kitchen, and the garage. Test your device and change the batteries twice a year. If your carbon monoxide alarm goes off, go outside for fresh air and call the Poison Helpline to be connected to your local poison center
at 1-800-222-1222
for free expert advice, or call 911 if the person is unconscious, seizing, or not breathing.